the vision is, so the question is like, how can we generate value from LLMs? They are like general purpose reasoning machines. We can like generate infinite amount of like knowledge. I saw a bookcase full of AI generated novels at the AGI house, and it's like really mind blowing. But like, how do we really translate that to like real world impact? And I think we start with people's needs that are existing right now. And I'm doing this with this AI SaaS that I've been working on, and I believe that like AI generated writing and AI assisted writing is the great way to do this. And quickly through the slideshow, there's like a screenshot. I'll get to the demo for that really fast. And basically that's the inspiration. I have a housemate that is a founder of a large data visualization open source library, and he pretty much that's how I got the idea. He generated all these blog posts and got all this crazy traffic to his project, and so there are a lot of startups that are doing this, and like I think I will differentiate by like executing really well. And it's not the idea. There's a lot of startups doing the same thing, but it's about the execution. And just like Apple started a computer company at the same time that there's many computer companies, likewise, the same thing repeats itself. Right now, there's a number of automatic writing companies out there, and they're getting a lot of success. And I think there's a lot of need that proves that there's a big need for that. And basically, it does generate a blog post from your business URL and description, and also there's an AI writing assistant that will allow you to autocomplete and have fine-grained detail generations. So I'll skip this. Built a lot of things. So yeah, I want to build tools that augment humans, not replace them. And I think Industry.com with good execution will be better than the competition. And yeah, future plans is like to increase MRR and get funding eventually. And I'll leave this for later to join the wait list. But like the demo is here. So I put everything on a branch, and it's 1.2K 1,000 lines of code. And so this whole page is new, and it's already live on the deployed. And so it'll start with like you can load an existing paper that you have created, or create a new one. So I'll create a new one, and you have like existing brands which like fit in with like the pre-population of like this URL and description. So I'll put GenLab.Studios, and this is an incubator for tech companies in Tokyo, and it will automatically generate images, and you can do fine-grained customization here, and like do article outline and keywords and links to include. And so right now it's generating. You can see that this is an indicator in the back. So also you can generate images individually that will be appear here, and then you can drag them into here. Also you can export to Markdown. Eventually I'll add next to auto post to your platform, your website. And then also has this AI autocompletes.
And how good quality are these blog posts, just from your experience?
Yes, so that's like super important. And so this I literally built in the last 24 hours. So I think the quality is like quite good, but with like specific niches and technical subjects, you need to be really good to really build a good reputation and the kind of authority in the field. So there's a number of like strategies that that I aim to employ to like improve that and iterate on that. But yeah, right now I would say this is pretty good. I read through some examples
And how are you generating the blog post? Is it a single prompt or is it a chain of prompts?
right now there's a single prompt that inputs all of these fields, all of these kind of like fields that are like outline or keywords and links.
Yeah.
And to improve this, I would have like multiple prompts like we discussed earlier, having like one prompt to just do an outline and one prompt for each outline to and then also have JS or LangChain JS like agents that like does a query or search for like the latest topics on that, so they can also like suggest topics to write about.
So how is LangChain being integrated if you only have like one prompt, or is it being used right now?
Yeah, right now it's not. I didn't have time for that, but
Okay.
that's
Makes
why I wanted to.
Okay.
I used it for another project that
Yeah.
I like. That's good.
And the images, are they DALL-E or Stable Diffusion or?
DALL-E 3.
The content is through GPT 3.5, 4, or which LLM are you using?
4 Turbo.
4 Turbo. Okay.
So have you compared like how would this be different if you like right now it will be the same as generating directly from a GPT-4, right? Like you give all the same information.
Yes, you
Yeah.
have to do all that manually. So this is
Yeah.
like streamlining that with a couple
Mhm.
clicks,
I
and then
see.
you can keep coming back and iterating, improving it, and then auto posting, and also you can like upload your documents. So this is integrated, but another part of the existing app is uploading documents from your hard drive or from like scraping from a URL, and that stores it in a database, in a vector database.
Did you think for the watermarking as well? Because now there's a new regulation. I'm not sure if you go through that, which is through the White House, that AI generated content, companies have to watermark that it is AI generated content. So have you thought about in that direction? Just curious.
I haven't for the photos, for the images.
I mean, for the text as well, because White House have released the executive order for any AI systems, the content or the photos or the videos or whatever is generating, has to be watermarked to make sure to differentiate that it's a AI generated data.
Okay, interesting. Yeah.
Just
I
curious,
haven't
have you
looked-
thought in that direction or not?
No, but that's super interesting.
Cool. Okay.
Awesome.
I think we're out of time, but
Yeah.
thank you so much for
Thank you
the
so much.
time.
Conrad.
Thank you.